In Pune city, Ganesh festival is celebrated in a grand way. During this festival, more than 6 lakh Ganesh idols are worshipped, out of which more than 5 lakh idols are made from plaster of Paris, in short POP, which do not dissolve in water. Immersing such POP idols in river or ponds causes large amount of water pollution. In order to find a solution to this serious problem, PMC, Cummins India and National Chemical Laboratory made various attempts. Engineers from Cummins India used sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, to dissolve POP idols.
CSR NCL in partnership with the Pune Municipal Corporation PMC is going to provide information about a process through which plaster of Paris, which is calcium sulphate, can be converted through a very simple reaction in a bucket of water.
की खायच्या सोड्याची पाण्यामध्ये सोल्युबिलिटी खूप कमी आहे. अमोनियम बायकार्बोनेट वापरलं, त्याची सोल्युबिलिटी वॉटरमध्ये खूप चांगली असल्यामुळे आपण कमी पाण्यात आपण हा प्रयोग करू शकतो.
With the successful result of the scientific method this year, PMC, NCL and Cummins have joined hands to promote this eco-friendly method in an easy to implement manner. According to this scientific method, one must first make the idol free from ornaments and decorative items placed on it. Then take a bucket or a tub of the size such that the idol can be fully immersed. Fill the bucket with sufficient water so that the idol can be immersed completely. Then take ammonium bicarbonate equal to the weight of the idol, that is 1:1, and mix it by stirring well to form a solution. Ammonium bicarbonate is not harmful as it is a food grade substance being used in bakeries. Now immerse the Ganesh idol in the water solution and stir it at intervals of 2 to 3 hours. In about 36 to 48 hours, the idol will completely dissolve and disintegrate. Once the POP idol completely disintegrates, 2 layers will be clearly visible. The bottom thick layer or sludge formed is calcium carbonate, which can be used in cement industry, and the top milky white solution is the ammonium sulphate, which can be used as fertilizer. This can be used to water plants.